the designers of our house always put a spigot in the back of our house. So our solution was to run a specs water line to the back to the front. And we used a spigot to do that. So we ran a double barrel connector to a 3/4 to a 1/2 inch PEX connector.
Yep.
Are you sure?
A 3/4 inch to a 1/2 inch PEX connector, and then we ran that to the front of the house, and we'll show you that. Good job. Hold on, I'm coming over that way. I'm coming over that way. Hold on. Ow. You gotta hit it hard. There you go. Nice. Good job, bro. All right. You want to feed me that line through the plastic? Yeah, is there the water lines there? The white one? Okay, you got to take it out and you got to feed it through. Just take it out of the plastic. Good job. Hold on, hold on. Cut like right there where that line is. No, over just a little bit right there. Okay. Now we need to clamp. Get your crimper. And then a 90-degree elbow. Clamp that bad boy on there. You got it, or you need help?
I got it.
Push, 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 push. A little bit more. That's it. Romeo has put the corner 90-degree elbows, 2 of them there. I dug the hole. We have the water line running. I've built this box and we're going to put this spigot on it. And then we are going to check to make sure there's no leaks before we seal it off. It needs to be just like that, and you need to push that in to there and push this one that way. So you're pushing them together. Nice, you got it. That's it. Push it to make sure that it's all the way in. Okay.
That's all.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn on the water. I'm gonna turn on the water, and then we're gonna see if there's any leaks. And if there's no leaks, then we'll finish fixing this box. How are we looking?
Don't see anything. We're gonna go over here now.
Feel it, make sure there's no water. You feel any water? No wetness? Okay. This one looks good too. There's no wetness there.
Did you just hit your back?
On my shoulder, or my side. We're good. So now we can bury this line.
Is there any water?
Go ahead, turn it on, the moment of truth. Nice. There's air in the line, so that's why it's doing that. Go ahead, open it up all the way. Let's see. That's good right there. Cool. We got full pressure. Go ahead, turn it off.
We're always on the water.
Yeah. That's it, man. Now we're going to finish this box and then we're going to put a hose hanger on there so we can wrap the hose around it. Get as much as you can on top of it, Ro. You're stepping on it, so you're packing the dirt down that you need to put on there. All that dirt needs to go over top of it. And then once you get it completely covered, you can go back over it and step on it so you can pack it in.
Okay. You learning some man stuff today?
You want me to start the pilot hole? Or
Yeah.
are you going to do it? There. You got to push hard. You should be able to just push. There you go. Just get it in there. Push hard. Nope. You're going to push on the back.
Oops.
You're good. Go ahead. When you hear that, that means that you're stripping this screw. Push down on the top. There you go.
So I put a hole in the wall. We connected the water line, and then we made the water line underground. And then we made this box right here. The water line connects up here, and then right here, it's the
Spigot.
spigot. And it was hard to make. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.